Welcome guys. Here is how to change your WhatsApp wallpaper. I'm going to do that in this video. So you go to WhatsApp application, you go to the exact chat or the exact message you are chatting with, and then you click the three-dotted icon right here, and you are going to see where it says chat theme. You choose that. From this area you can see where it says wallpaper. You can also change the theme if you like. Change this to whatever you want. This is a classic, not bad, set theme. And then come to the wallpaper area, you click on that and just choose something cool that you like, and then I'm going to confirm this and okay. That is actually going to supposed to download, but for some reason it took longer time. What was the error? Okay, successful. Now the wallpaper takes a while. It doesn't take time to download anyway. So this is the wallpaper. So whenever you send a message and you see it appears better than before, right? So guys, this is what I want to show you on this video. If it's helpful, don't forget to smash like. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.